You see what came off? The caddies are off, brother.
We just picked up the roll cage from the powder coater.
Just want to give a huge shout out to Luis for being the worst influence possible.
Yeah! Yeah, baby!
This goes all the way to the roof.
Did you clock in? You did? Oh, okay. You have to be nice when we take it back from you.
Yes.
So.
Holy shit.
Morning, everybody. We are currently headed to KNG Motorsports and get this build started. Yesterday, which we did not vlog, by the way, which I don't know why we didn't vlog, but we installed the Dundon headers and the Dundon race crack pipe, and no cast, no resonators, no nothing. I personally don't think I'm going to be running that setup for too long. Let's just see where it takes us, I guess, at this point. But today, let's finish up this car. Let's get it closer to completion. So yeah, stay tuned. Tensions are high with him. Tensions are high with him. Yeah. See the stock exhaust right here? On your right, brother. Right here, brother. You see what came off? The caddies are off, brother. That's fucking crazy. That's crazy. Who does that, bro? So you see the new toe? The cup toe hook, bro? This is what we spent all the money for, bro. Literally that piece right there, bro. But here it is. We don't put the bone with you, bro. Tell me why Armando comes over yesterday and tells us that Luis was just revving the shit out of the fucking car.
Fuck out of here, bro. I turned it on.
He said that he was like, I was like, damn.
Yeah, I took it on a joyride too.
He said that he turned it on and started revving it straight up.
I started doing donuts outside right there.
He said he didn't even let it warm up or reach temperature or anything. He just started going,
Oh, that's why I literally told him it's already up to 10.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's not even my car at this point. He picked the car, he picked the color, he picked the fucking exhaust setup. And then yesterday, you know what he says? Yeah, we might have to get rid of the headers. It's a little too loud. I'm like, okay, I guess.
Is it not up to me?
If you could turn it on.
Hey, can you turn your car on?
Turn it off.
Can you turn your car on? Yeah.
Can you turn it on, bro?
Yeah.
Lost ownership, bro.
I'm gonna wait till it warms up.
I'll stand right here.
I'm okay up here, bro. Hey, are those mics cheap?
Of course.
Are you sure?
They're not. It's okay.
Hell no, I'm not. I'm not covering shit. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, it comes down. Holy shit. Ah, you're good. Hey, you can hear now. Dude, my ears are ringing.
Really hurt. We're at a powder coating shop right now with KNG Motorsports Luis, and we're picking up the roll cage. This is so bad. Mod after mod after mod. He did bring a blanket. I'm throwing off my OCD a little bit, you know, like only one strap, who does that shit? You know, like pick an axe. He's a professional. We're just lunatics.
We just picked up the roll cage from the powder coater. He's a good friend of mine. I've been working with him for a long time. He goes by the name RNL Powder Coating. He's right here in San Fernando Valley, Silmar, to be exact. Bueno, we're heading back to the shop.
Alright everybody, we're officially back to Kenji and Louis' shop. We picked up the cage from Powder Coat. It looks fresh, it looks perfect, color match is amazing. Just want to give a huge shout out to Louis for being the worst influence possible. From the exhaust to the roll cage to the wrap color to the 991.2 conversion, it was him and Jaden. Jaden especially for the 991.2 conversion. These guys have been the worst influence. Another huge influence to Aiden. This man's been a fucking massive influence in the worst spending in the world. But the biggest influence so far has been Luis from KG Motorsports. So it's been a little while since we give you guys a little update, but Louis just wrapped the front bumper. We got a little bit left to do tomorrow, final touches, cutting the top and stuff. Tomorrow's plan is gonna be me and Thick are about to head out to Toyo Tires, pick up new tires, come back to the shop, take these tires and get them mounted to the new tires, swap these tires out. These tires are rubbing. While Louis finishes the front wrap and starts assembling the front bumper and the front end. And then we put the front lip, put the headlights, close the hood, and finally see what it looks like. By the time we should be back with the tires, put them on and see if they're rubbing or not. Hopefully they're not rubbing. Set the right height, and then start working on the rear end. So that's what you're doing. Ready? Yeah. Hold hard. Get it? No, not hard enough.
You can't even hear me right now.
Do we know which one is passenger and driver?
Yeah.
What's the trick? Let us know.
What tire-wise doesn't matter. He just has to make sure that this line is inside on both wheels.
So that's passenger then?
This one's passenger, but this one can also be passenger. Doesn't matter.
Okay, but right now which one's which? Because of the air, because of the.
This one's passenger.
So you want this on the outside?
No. You want this rain groove on the inside.
What the fuck does it?
This needs to stay on the inside.
Got it. So what I'm saying is this big groove needs to be on the outside.
Sure. Yes. We'll leave it at
So
that.
we have the same understanding. That's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah. Let's go with that.
Well, good morning, everybody. We're currently at KG Motorsports. It's 7:15 on the dot, and Luis.
7:50.
And Luis is here. We are headed.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 9:15.
9:15. We are headed straight to Toyo Tires right now.
He doesn't have his G-Shock, that's all.
To pick up the new Toyos, and then we're gonna stop by a tire shop which is called VJC. And
Tell this guy to not ruin my wheels, bro.
and get these mounted. We're not gonna ruin the wheels, bro. We're gonna be very, very, very pristine about this shit. See, at KG Motorsports, he even rents out his truck, bro. $250 a day to use. You know what I mean?
$250 an hour, bro.
$250 a day.
Kind of steep, brother.
He won't rent to Armando anymore because clearly that motherfucker's taking illegal U-turns. And comes to me and tells me that now the cop was chill.
Couples chill. He let us go.
I'm like,
That's not even. Wife was in there?
yeah, bro. And she's freaking out. It's the first time ever getting pulled over. She's like, I'm telling you, he was on his phone. He made this illegal turn, trying to beat the traffic. The tire will just fit on top. That's not a problem.
Yeah, you put one there, one there.
You don't want to take my truck?
No. Can't afford the fees. Right
We already
now.
put gas in, man. $20. We're already deep.
$20 of gas.
We're already
in
too
here,
deep.
huh? We're deep. In
We're
here.
over our daily budget.
All right, Luis. All right. See you in like 2 hours. Got it. Yeah, baby. That shit is clean. We're headed to Toyo Tires. We're on the way, and there's a lot of traffic right now, as you see. We're currently hitting 80 knots. We'll keep you guys updated.
CHP in front, so.
Warehouse.
Big rig coming through.
Big rig,
coming
brother.
through. I think we're good right here.
You wanna tuck it in tighter, bro. Okay, that's good, bro. That's good. You're gonna need this in the front.
Okay. Apparently we need this paper so that they know we picked up our shit.
That's a lot smaller.
Well, we had a mushroom on that one, remember? Right? That's what Dave was saying?
So I hope it's just right. That's it.
I got it. I got it.
You only put on South Indian music. We've been banging South Indian music. But we're at Toyo. We just picked them up. That's not bad.
Oh, we gotta go to
VJC Tire.
VJC Tire. And
Boys, do you see it? VJC Tires, bro. That's right. That's him right there. I see it. I see the logo. These look narrow, bro.
Nah, it's just 245 because it's not a 365.
You think it'll be fine? We're about to find out right now.
Yeah, where you at?
At VJC. At VJC, baby. Yeah, we out here right now. So I'm about to get this. I'm about to get these tires, put it on, and go from there. There's a lot of shit back there, bro.
this is just one section.
Fuck, there's still more.
This goes all the way to the roof.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, this is so bad. I don't know if he's hoarding at this
What
point,
is
but look at the
this?
bathroom turned into a storage unit, bro.
This is crazy. They're all the way to the roof. Look, there's a little back. Nah. Look. This is crazy. Dog. What the? Yo, you got a maze, bro? What?
Open our doors again so we can have these meets, because
Dude, it's like a maze.
maze in here, dude.
Look, you got tires up there too.
What?
These are the sizes.
What?
They're like very rare.
Like from the bottom of the rack, you have to move everything around.
Yeah, so basically it takes two guys to do that. So like if you have to grab a tire from here,
Yeah.
this side is easy because we just go ahead, bam, knock it down, grab it, come back and stack them up. But when it's like right here, they have to come and do it. Otherwise, it's gonna knock everything else down and it makes a mess. So they bring them down one by one. But like when there's space, like for this stack, they just knock it over.
Got it.
Dang.
Got it.
Dude.
Holy shit, that stack is high.
Yeah, not
bro,
too bad.
For a shop,
Well,
bro.
for a shop.
That's crazy, bro.
For a shop.
Talking about Toyo USA, bro, and comparing it to VJC is crazy. Shout out to Ivan and the boys over at VJC Tires for hooking us up, getting this shit mounted, and we are off. We got a little tour too, you know what I mean?
Yep. That shit's crazy, dude.
That shop is wild. There's so much stuff.
For a shop, so much tires for a shop.
So much inventory, bro. Ready on the go, bro. I've never
They
seen
have
that.
my tire size.
What's your tire size?
335, 30, 22. Like,
Who does that, brother?
who has that? Nobody.
Jesus, they look small. I know. Compared to the fucking 65s? Holy fuck. I think, is that Zeus? What up, big homie?
Let's get our daily check-in with the big dog. Grab that fucking, grab the bone.
What up,
Oh,
big
we
boy?
broke through the door.
Hey, what are you doing outside the door, big boy? How are you doing? Step back in. How are you doing, big boy? Oh my God, I missed you. Oh, you're such a big boy. Did you take a nap today? Did you clock in? You did? Oh, okay. How was it? You okay? You doing good?
Oh, he's looking at
Oh, what? I kid you not, we were mobbing. Luis, we were mobbing there and mobbing back. We were like on the go.
Metaphorically. Metaphorically.
Of course,
Metaphorically. Hypothetically.
But we gotta make sure these clear though.
Yeah. You know how you can clear this?
We're not cutting it, bro. This guy is the worst instigator, bro.
What?
Well, it's got to be the third one. There's one cut there. There's another cut there. This has got to be the third. We're back with Zeus. We are officially giving him
But you have to be
the
nice when
bone.
we take it back from you, okay? You have to be nice when we take it back from you.
Yes. Holy shit.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Look at him. He's gone.
And Luis will grab it from him later.
You know, yeah, and Luis will make a video of Luis taking it from him.
It's okay, man. You know how cool that.
That's a big boy. That's a big boy.
You know how cool that could be. You could be K&G Prosthetics. We gave him the bone. We gave him the bone. We gave Zeus the bone.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call Zeus that way, so he hopefully he'll leave the bone, and then all you have to do is go and hide the bone. That's it. We'll teamwork it. And just want to ask him, hey Luis, when are your wheels gonna get here, brother?
When your Fitman's ready, bro.
That's crazy. That's crazy. He hasn't even ordered the lips or barrels, bro, and we gotta rebuild the wheels.
We got 2 weeks.
The car hasn't been turned on in a month, bro. Probably longer than a month.
Look at it, bro. He's screaming for help, bro.
He's on top of his car, bro. What the fuck is going on?
What up, it's grip?
Half inch lower or what?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
No,
man.
bro, half inch lower is gonna be really low because that's what we raised up before. We need smaller tires too.
So,
And the front
The
lip is
body
gonna
of the car is gonna be really low.
Yeah, I said we go not half inch, we go quarter inch low. Because see, you just said test your preferences, let's go half inch, and then obviously when I see it on the floor like that, obviously we're gonna be in love with it. Then who wants to go up, bro?
Jesus. Moment of truth. I need the mic, dude. It's way too loud. God.
It'll be like